Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Natsurin Padasalai. In today's video, we'll discuss the expected cutoff and along with that, we'll do paper analysis for this TIFR GS examination which is also called as JEE BILS. Okay, and we also discussed whether the paper is really easy as many students are reporting the paper is the easiest paper, so the cutoff will be going high. And also you need to know how much you need to score in the TAFRGS examination to be called for an interview. You all know TAFR GS examination for 2021 has been conducted in the this month March 7, 2021. And after giving an examination, definitely we students will be eagerly waiting for the result. Okay, and you all should know this TAFR GS examination is a completely different examination, and it is generally conducted as an eligibility examination to do your integrated PhD and MSc in the prestigious institute. Okay, and only few students will attempt this examination, and if you attempted for this examinations, definitely hats off to you because this exam is the toughest exam. Okay, when you compare this exam with any other entrance exam, so this is the toughest exam. So giving a try for this exam is a big task, so that it will make your mind to get attempt for any exam without any kind of fear. Okay, so many students will be worrying about when I expected cutoff and what will be the expected cutoff, what is the mark you need to score, and whether how many seats will be given every year like that. So in this paper, in this video, we'll discuss everything about this particular examination. I hope this is an official website, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. They open this particular thing and everything will be given in this website only, friends. So this is an official website. Okay. So we need to know the official website is tafr.res.in and the exam was conducted in online mode. So as we discussed in our previous video, if you know, candidate will be shortlisted for online campus interview based on your exam mark, that is your TAFR entrance exam mark, your CV, scientific write-up, letters of recommendation. Okay, so you should know clearing cut above the cutoff mark or clearing the exam is not a final thing for this particular exam. After clearing your TAFR exam, you need to send your scientific write-up and you will be called for interview. Okay, friends. So have this in your mind, okay, and it is not a easiest thing to do, at least if you attempted, so that it will be very much helpful for you. So the result list, they will produce the result in the form of list, okay, and it will be published by TIFR, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, and NCBS, National Center for Biological Sciences, okay. And the marks obtained in the exam for any candidate will not be really revealed. So your marks, if you're writing for 80 marks or 100 marks, your marks obtained in the examination will not be revealed anywhere. And they will produce a result in the list as I mentioned earlier. Names in the list are not arranged in any particular order. Okay, so in our thing, we will say if the name is given in first time means he is a rank number one or he is an AR number one. So it is not a case. The names list are arranged in alphabetical order starting from A and ending in Z. And I hope many students will be surfing to net or Google, or you may go for referring some other social media site regarding the previous year cutoff for TIFR examination, because the next things we do after clearing our after writing the examination is to know the cutoff. And I too tried googling about this particular cutoff in the Google, but I couldn't found anywhere. Then I got informations like there is no cutoff is released or revealed for this TIFR GS examination. Sorry, but how we can predict our cutoff? How we can able to predict whether we are qualifying the exam or not? So every year, the exam conducting authority will decide the average cutoff internally. They will decide among themselves and they will have a cutoff in their merit list. And they will release the list of eligible students which will be published separately by each of the institute on the website for biological sciences. Okay, it's just like you are medical counseling or engineering counseling, friends. So I hope we already uploaded a video regarding the participating institute for GS 2021. So there are list of participating institute we already discussed. We have Ashoka University, we have CCMB, we have CDFT, we have ISA, we have INSTEM, and we have TAFR, we have NISER, we have NNI, we have NCCS, like that. We have list, and we also saw what are the programs offered at each institution. Okay, so PhD will be provided by all the listed institution except this NIBMG and RCGB. Sorry, RCB, and integrated MSc PhD is located at is will be provided by TFR at all institute, and ISER is all institute and both institute everything. MSc research is provided by this DBS and TAFR. So each of the institute will send you a mail. There is no cutoff being released, friends, but if you qualified your mark means you will be called for an interview. Separately, you will be get mail. Definitely, the release date will be announced. If you take the release date for 2019 examination, December 8, 2019, the TAFR exam was conducted, and by January 20, I think so, January 20, 2020, the result was announced. Okay, so you no need to go and log in and all. They will release the list in the thing follow. So, what is the total number of students being called or being selected for the interview is there will be separate result list will be released for PhD students and integrated PhD students, friends. And generally, the total number of students will be between 800 to 1000. Okay, so this is how they will allot the candidate for each institute. Okay, and based on the availability of research fellows or a graduate, you will be called for an interview. They just put up a list of people who have cleared the examination on the website, and directly they will send a mail calling for the interview. And going for interview, again you need to go for a difficulty passes where you have rounds and rounds of interview, and you need to submit your scientific thing, everything you need to do. Okay, and if you clear the examination, then you will get a mail and you will be called for interview at different places. Say 5 places you will be called for interview. For example, you will be called, if I clear the examination, then I will be called from TAFR, NCBR, ISAK, CCMB, CEDFT. You will be called for all the institute, and you need to attend the interview based on your preferences, friends. And if any of the institute is having a vacancy means you will be selected and you will be given and you will be awarded with a fellowship. So just like that the thing will be go. So for this TIFR it is really a difficult process and a different process. So what I mean to say means it's better if you attempted for every examinations, and this JGE bills is also another exam. Okay, there are many advantages and disadvantages regarding this exam, friends, but at least you gave a try for the examinations. If you really want to do a research in a prestigious institute like NCBS Bangalore, TAFR, ISA means you sit and study for 1 year, only then you can be able to clear the examination, because it's not if you selected biology means you will have biology question paper alone. It's not the case, because you know the exam pattern has you need to study mathematics, physics, chemistry and biology, so questions will be asked from everything. Okay, so this is how, friends, the thing will go. I hope I had cleared all your queries regarding this TAFR examinations. So subscribe to our YouTube channel so that I will upload many videos related to many different examinations, and I'll also update you once the results for the exam has been released. Thanks for watching, friends. I'll meet you within another video. All the best, friends.